Yes, I almost gave up, guys, before I came across one YouTube video that explained step by step on how we can easily get 4,000 watch time. Although the video I watched here on YouTube only discussed just one of the steps, and I'll be sharing that in this video as well, but I did not just stop there. I went ahead to do more research and came about 2 extra ways that we can actually get our 4,000 watch hours, and it's very easy. Like, it's something each and every one of us can do. So after then, I came back and I came prepared. I did not stop. I did not have that mindset of giving up, because before I thought, why would YouTube actually ask us to get 4,000 watch hours in just 12 months? It was really disturbing. But right now, I am back to get that 4,000 watch hours. And just like I promised when I made my first YouTube video, I said anything that I'm trying, anything that is working for me, I will not just wait until I get everything. I would like to share with you so that we can grow together, so that we can achieve this monetization goal together. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, this is the creative Susan herself, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You rock. Thank you for coming back. So guys, let's get started. So the number 1 on the list among these 3 things that can help us to get our 4,000 watched hour requirement on YouTube is creating a playlist. I know you have heard this from so many YouTubers, but they didn't explain how you're going to go about it. But here in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to use your playlist to get more watch time. After creating your playlist with 8, 5, 10 videos, what you have to do is that you're going to be playing that playlist. The first way you're going to do it is that you have to create at least 2 accounts on YouTube, your main account and 1 extra account. Yes, you can switch over to the other account and use it to be playing your playlist. Yes, play it from, just tap on play all. Yes, and when you're playing, make sure the speed is slow. You reduce the speed to slow and you loop the video so that anytime it plays from the beginning till the end, it will start all over again. Yes, that's one of the way you can use your playlist. And the other one is to talk to your friends. They are not just called friends for nothing. Talk to your friends, your spouse, your brothers, your sisters. Let them help you and be playing your playlist. Yes, actually talk to them. Like this afternoon, as I'm creating this video, I got a message from one of my friends that she's actually playing my playlist right now, and I was super excited. Okay, talk to your friends. Let them help you and be watching your playlist, even if it's just once in a day, twice in a day. Yes, if you continue doing this within the space of 2 weeks, you will be amazed at how many watch hours you have gathered. So the second way of getting 4,000 watch hours very easy is actually called restreaming, or otherwise known as silent live stream. Yes guys, so what you have to do is to head over to restream.io. Make sure you use your own original content, guys. Don't go to any other person's channel or any other places. Some people will tell you go and use video from so source that you will not get copyright strike and all that. I am not advising you on that. Yes, the good thing about restreaming is that you can actually use videos that are not in your niche. For example, if you're cooking in your kitchen, if you're doing anything fun around you, you're gardening, you're anything at all, yes, you can actually video it, make it entertaining, make it something that someone would love to watch for a long time. You actually put it on your restream. Yes, and remember that the maximum amount of hours you can actually restream in a day is 12 hours. So this is very important. Bear in mind, anything that makes that video to exceed 12 hours, it will not count. And even if it counts, then the hours is going to be reduced because it has exceeded the amount of time you're supposed to restream. Okay, so make sure it's within that 12 hours. And once you go live, make sure you go over to YouTube, copy your link, like share your link to your friends on your WhatsApp status, on any other group you're in. Tell your friends about your live and let them come and support you. Okay friends, so let's head over to the third and the last method we are going to use to get that 4,000 watch hours pretty fast, and that is live streaming. Actually, this one is my best and my favorite of them all. Yes, because live streaming is very easy. It is as easy as ABC. If you don't know how to live stream, or if you don't know how to go about it, just tell me in the comments and I'll make a video on how to go live on YouTube app. So live streaming is very, very important because it helps YouTube to know that yes, this account or this YouTube channel is actually owned by someone, a human being, not a robot. It actually helps you to interact with your audience. Yes, this is your audience. If they have questions, they want to meet with you, or any other concerns your audience have, they'll be able to relate it with you. I remember the first time I actually went live, I got about, was it up to 15 people that joined my live for the very first time. And I was super excited to meet my subscribers. Yes, so live streaming is not just a way of interacting with your audience only, or letting YouTube know that you're not a robot, but it's actually an important way, and one of the very easiest way of getting that 4,000 watch hours requirement. Why? Another thing I discovered recently about live streaming is that you're able to go live just for 2 hours and you have 5 subscribers at hand that stayed on your live. They did not go, they stayed on your live for those 2 hours. What you're going to be having is 12 hours, because YouTube is going to count those 2 hours each of them spent on your channel, like on your live. They are going to count it times the 5 of them plus the 2 hours that you spent. That means 6 times 2 will give us 12. Yes, so you've gotten 12 hours for spending just 2 hours on live streaming. So this is actually the 3 ways that you can actually get your 4,000 watch hours easily. And I'm not asking you to apply just one of these. If you're able to actually implement these 3 ways we just discussed in this video, yes, I can boldly tell you that you'll be able to get that 4,000 watch hours within a month, and this is very possible. That is what I'm going to be implementing on my channel from now henceforth. I've already started implementing it. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we'll be dishing out more amazing tricks, more giving you more value, more growth tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. We are here to grow together. We are here to achieve our monetization goal on YouTube together. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.